Dito, kung doon sa unoccupied ay top and bottom are lengthwise, dito hindi. All linen are crosswise except bottom, which is folded lengthwise. Nagets nyo? Ganito yun. Lahat ng linen dito ay naka-fold ng pa-crosswise. Crosswise yung palapad. Susundan nyo yung kanyang width. Okay? Katulad dito, itong lapad niya yung sinundan natin sa pagtutupi. So, that one. Kung yung hati, is kunin nyo yung hati, itupin nyo ulit, then do your military fold. This is your top sheet. Bakit? Right side out. Okay. This is your bottom sheet. Bakit? It is lengthwise and it is wrong side out. Okay, then, you have your cotton and rubber. So, this is our cotton. Ito ang kanyang crosswise. Dahil kapag ginanito ninyo siya, pag ginanito nyo, lengthwise to. Lahat ay nakafold ng crosswise baliktad. Okay? Naka-baliktad. Okay, this is your crosswise. And then, you do your military fold. Okay. Then, you have your top. This is your rubber crochet. Okay, the same thing, crosswise, yung green ang ilalabas natin. So, you need 2 pillowcases kasi occupied, may pasyente. Okay, the order of your materials, plus you have your, this one. May hamper ba doon? Hamper. Alam niyo yung hamper? Basket. Basket.
Nalagyan ng
marumi. Mayroon? Doon sa loob.
Wala talaga siya.
Okay, wala. Kung wala, gagamit tayo ng ito. Okay.
Jumper.
This is your pillowcases.
Bumper.
Then we have your top sheet. We have your cotton draw, rubber draw, bottom sheet, back blanket, and you have your gloves on top. Okay? These are the arrangement, ha? Ano ba? Isa lang yung gloves. Kung dalawa hinuho, sige dalawa. Isa lang nilalagay ko na. Pero dalawa to, ha? Dalawang kamay na kanya. Okay. From top to bottom, you have your disposable gloves, back blanket, bottom sheet, rubber draw sheet, cotton draw sheet, top sheet, and your pillowcases and pillows. Ma'am, ba't dalawa yung pillowcase? Iisa naman yung pillow. Hindi man lang yung tinanong. Okay?
Wala nang pillow.
Kasi nga, the one pillow is there. You just change the pillowcase. Okay? Papalitan lang natin yung pillowcase nun. Okay? So, dalawa yung pillowcase. Sinong pasyente?
Sabi. Opo.
Hazel.
Hindi yan.
Iinit dyan. Iinit dyan. Uy, labi. Opera ka para mabuntis. At si Dr. Marvin ang gagawa. Ayan, si Dr. Marvin.
Ayan.
Oy. Ang pinagnanatapo nila yung maniking ako.
Huwag niyong niloloko yung manikin na yan. Papapalitan sa inyo yan. Pag
Yari.
Pag sa inyo ipinasa yung naalis na paa niyan, patay kayo dyan.
Binubuka ka niya pa yan.
Wala kayo makikita dyan.
Pinakalat niya pa epekto sa akin.
Okay. Ready na? Camera niyo. Lobat na camera niyo. Okay, we have your occupied bed making. So first, carry out the beginning procedures, which include wash your hands to prevent contamination and spreading of microorganisms. Identify the patient by hair identification band or name on the head, foot part, inside part of the patient bed. Then inform the patient, introduce yourself, and explain the procedure. Good morning, ma'am. I am Jonalyn, your caregiver for today. I am going to change your linen. Check the patient. Bring all the materials needed. Place the chair beside the patient bed on the foot part. And bring all the materials to the foot side. Place it on the chair on the foot side of the patient bed. The materials are disposable gloves, back blanket, bottom sheet, rubber draw, cotton draw, top sheet, pillowcase, and you have your pillow, and laundry hamper kung may laundry hamper. Check the patient bed. If it is soiled with blood or any fluid discharges, if yes, put on your disposable gloves. Make sure that the patient bed is locked. Raise the side rest on the opposite side and lower the side rest where you are going to work. Okay, lock the rails of the bed. Adjust the bed to a working height. If the patient bed is not adjustable, you will be the one to adjust to the bed of the patient height. Okay, it should be on the waistline level. Then, untuck the mattress. Side raise up. Lower the side rails.
Cover the patient.
Side rails up.
Bibirit ka na.
Lower the side rails. Fold the patient blanket to the foot part. Pick it up to the center. Place it at the back of the chair if you're going to reuse it. Then place a palm-folded back blanket to the center of the patient's chest. Ask the patient to grasp the top edge, but if the patient cannot do so, tuck it to the shoulder. Fold the top edge of the bottom edge of the blanket and the top edge of the sheet. Pull together down to the foot of the patient bed. Remove the sheet, fold, and place it to the laundry hamper. In the absence of laundry hamper, place the sheet underneath the bottom sheet on the opposite side. Tuck the blanket on the patient body, bend the patient leg, turn the patient to the opposite side of the bed, holding the shoulder and the buttocks. Mom, in the count of 3, turn to the opposite side. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Tuck the back blanket on the patient's body. Then move the pillow with the patient. Stand to the center of your bed. Roll your linen, inward roll, one at a time. Tuck it on the patient back blanket to prevent soiling of the patient new set of linen. Remove your gloves, wash your hands thoroughly, discard it to the proper place. Place the bottom sheet to the center of the bed. Spread. Then, center fold. Tuck it on the bed part. Fold the bottom hem. Make a metered corner. Tuck. Then tuck it on the foot part. Tuck the hand side from head down. Place the rubber draw sheet to the center. Spread. Make an allowance about 15 to 10 to 15 inches. Then tuck if there's the hand side, followed by your cotton draw sheet. Spread. Allowance must be 2 inches higher than your rubber draw sheet. Tuck if there's the hand side. Place the pillow and the pillowcase to the foot part. Spread the pillowcase over the pillow. Grasp the end. Insert your hands. Reverse. One hand should pull the pillowcase over the pillow. One hand should hold the pillow. Do not shake or jerk the pillow to prevent it from contamination. Then place the pillow opposite the door or the window. Turn the patient towards you. Hold on the shoulder. Hold on the buttocks. 1, 2, 3, ma'am. Turn. Okay, hold to your side legs. Move to the opposite side of the head. Remove the pillow. Remove the pillowcase. Place the pillow on the foot part. Okay, or on the chair. Remove the linen beneath your bottom sheet using your pillowcase. Then, since you don't have your gloves, make sure you will not contaminate your hands against the soiled linen. Hold the linen to the distal part. Then, roll. Then, place it to the laundry hamper or to your pillowcase. Then, grasp the end of your bottom sheet. Raise your legs against the bed. Then spread the bottom sheet. Tuck the head part. Pull the bottom hem. Make a metered corner. Tuck the hang side. Then do it to the foot part. Pull the bottom hem. Make a metered corner. Then tuck the hang side. Tuck the side from head down to the foot. Then grasp the rubber throw sheet. Spread. Tuck if there's the hang side. Followed by your cotton throw sheet. Spread. Tuck the hang side. Assist the patient to move to the center of the bed. Untuck the patient back blanket against the patient body. Make a fan fold to the center. Then, side raise up. Place the top sheet on the patient chest, center of the chest. Spread. Ask the patient to hold the top ends. If the patient cannot do so, tuck it on the shoulder. Then pull the top ends of the top sheet, bottom ends of top sheet and top ends of the back blanket. Spread. Remove the blanket. Fold. And place it to the hamper or to your pillowcase. Spread the top sheet. Make a fan fold to the chest. Tuck it on the foot part. Make a flip. Grasp the blanket on the foot part. About 8 inches toe flip. This will allow the patient foot to move. Then tuck. Make a metered corner. Tuck the hang side. Let the side hang freely. Then do it to the opposite side. Make a metered corner. Tuck the hang side. Then place the pillow and the pillowcase to the foot part. Insert your hands. Cross the ends. Reverse. Do not jerk nor shake to prevent loose end. Then place the pillow on the patient's side or in between the patient's legs. To keep the patient warm, very warm, return the patient's blanket. Correct?
Nakahinga pa siya, no?
Then, bring all the soiled linen blanket to the laundry area. Report to your nurse in charge. Leave the patient comfortable, then wash your hands. That is occupied bed.